What's going on, guys? Welcome to Backyard Renovations, world headquarters. Here we are at our shop today. We've had this place for about 5 years, and we've been in business for about 10 years. And we have primarily focused on fence installation, fence repair. We've been recently getting more into decks. We just built a sauna. We've been trying to dig a little bit more into the carpentry side of things and building side of things. We've been building fences for, well, this is our 10th season, and that's primarily what we've done. And it's good for us, it's good to us. I still enjoy it, but it's extremely physical, and we're looking forward to advancing our skills in a multitude of ways so that we can just kind of build any kind of project that comes our way. That's the goal. Be able to use our brains a little bit more. But I started this business in 2016. I'm 33 now, so I must have been, now I'm almost 24. So I was, I guess about 24, 25 years old when we got started. And it's been a slow progression. I wouldn't even call it slow. It's actually been a great progression. I feel like it's moved exactly at the speed that it's needed to the entire time. I've never pushed it to be more. I'm sure I might have got a little lazy at times, but it's always grown at the right pace. And we've always had the right guys coming in, coming out along the way at the perfect timing. One thing that's always been interesting to me is that I have a lot of people ask me, where do you find your workers or where do you find your helpers? And I've never actively searched for someone to help me with this business. They've always just come around naturally, almost at the exact moment that I've needed somebody, where if they didn't, I would have been out there by myself. And if you've ever built a fence or done any types of construction, you don't really want to do it by yourself. So much better with another guy. We've had up to 4 or 5 guys out there with us, and more commonly we've got about a 3-man crew. Me, I've got Jared with me now. He's been with me. This is his 2nd season. He's doing great. We have another guy, Drew, who occasionally hops on, although now he's kind of a rock star, so he's mostly on the road. And my wife, she takes care of a lot of the business side of things, and we have a great business, I call her a business manager, keeps track of all the legal things and calls me when there's a problem. And actually she just kind of handles the problems, which is nice, because this is where I want to be. I want to be out here. I want to be building, looking at jobs, hanging out with my family, riding motorcycles if I can, find a time to here and there. But ultimately, it's a small crew. It's remained a small business. I think that it helps it. It's harder to fail when you're not a huge mega business. It's hard for us to really be slow because, I guess I can say this, we have never ran out of work in 10 years. And outside of the winters, you really plan on not working the winters. January and February slow down. But we've never run out of work in a normal working season. And that's been with almost zero advertising, mostly just word of mouth of people seeing us out there, and just doing our best to maintain a strong reputation along the way. If you can handle your business professionally and with a moral character and with a care for the people that you do business with, for yourself, for your equipment, for all the things, you just handle it with care and with respect, it's generally going to take care of you. I think things work out that way. You can call that whatever you want, but if you take care of things, things are going to take care of you as well. So if you're out there and you're curious about starting a business or you're thinking about it, it's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. And you just take it day by day, and you do your best, and you're honest, and you look people in the eye, and you do what you say that you're going to do. You charge a fair price. You learn the market. You learn your value. You begin to get confident in what you offer and in what you bring. All of these things over time will grow to help you create a successful endeavor. But this is our 10th year anniversary, and to be honest with you, the last year I started getting pretty worn out, pretty tired, and it can be a lot, you know, it can be a lot just managing things, getting yourself out of bed, making phone calls, handling health I mean, it's an endless list of things when you have your own business. Nobody's really taking care of anything for you. You got to do it yourself. And that's part of it. That's what you sign up for when you get going. And it can be a blessing and it can be a challenge. But overall, this year, the phone's ringing, the sunshine is out. Jared is motivated, I'm motivated, and we're ready to get after it. So I just wanted to do a quick little intro and a bit of a background on us as a company and who we are. And I've been slowly posting some videos online just about what we do, and hopefully it can be helpful to a couple people out there. Hopefully we can shed some knowledge on our trade and also on maybe other people hoping to start their own business or working on their own business or anything like that. So just some thoughts of the day. We just finished up and I had a couple minutes at the shop, so figured I'd tune in and introduce myself. My name is Ben, by the way. I don't know if I said that at the beginning, but hope to post some more on here. Hope you guys enjoy what we have to share, and hope we can be helpful. So stay positive, stay motivated. Let's get to work, guys, and I'll see you out there.